What's going on, world? It's your man Pat Caesar, Caesar LLC, mobile mechanic and roadside services. I'm on the road right now, man, and we are heading to do a winch out. I just got back from Fort Myers. Truck's still rolling. Had to get some fuel, and we got to go pick up the customer. So that'll be interesting. Got to clean out the little area here, set to go pick up the customer and go get our car. And yeah, we'll get into it right after the intro. I just cut my head trying to put this on. Oh, there's the car right there. Oh, well, okay, I see where we're going. I'm gonna go pick up the customer. I thought it was pulling up. She told me it was right at the ditch. Man, I just straight up cut my head. We're gonna pick up the customer and then we're gonna go pick out this car out of the ditch. Yeah, that's no problem.
This used to be Everglades, this whole thing.
Everything.
So it's really wet. When it rains,
So
it gets
you went
real
off about
muddy.
right here.
Yeah, right here. And I was trying to keep it straight, and it went turned completely around, and it's facing the different direction. See, so look at it. This is all mud. And
so how did your tracks there, but you ended up there?
Well, because it flipped the car around.
Gotcha. Wow.
Because I was headed north, and you see the car is headed south.
Right. I'm gonna back up and turn around, and yeah, I'm just waiting for this.
Wait, please.
Yeah. Oh no, trust me. I cannot afford not to.
Had I waited, I would have not, because they were going like this.
80 miles an hour in a 60 mile an hour zone.
Oh, yeah. You bet. And there's never any cops to give tickets, so.
Of course.
You can just.
Which is kind of a good thing, kind of a bad thing.
Either way.
Yeah.
You need them, they're not there.
Exactly.
The whole thing.
You get it. Okay.
What do they pay you? What do the insurance people pay you for this?
Well, it depends on the rate, because typically this would be about $350, but I'm definitely not getting $350 to do it.
Why not?
Because of the time frame, for one, and for two.
There's no damage or no?
Well, no, because it wasn't actually supposed to be a tow as well. It was just supposed to be a winch out, and that would be different for yeah. Make sure I get here to where I don't get stuck myself.
Oh yeah, please.
Thank you, Mr. Semi Man.
You might as well stick it on and do a tow too, and just tow it to my place.
Well, see, that was the thing. That was what they did. Don't worry, we can work it out. We'll work it out.
Yeah, I don't know if it's. It was running when I shut it off, so I think it's running, and I think it'll make it there, but I can't cross the grass. I gotta drive a while before you can turn around.
No worries. Alright.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Just watch your step. Okay, got it. All right.
Just climbing up.
I understand completely.
Hey, don't do it.
All righty. My headband broke. for my GoPro. It's time to upgrade the whole equipment though. So it's been good to me. I ain't mad at it. Sucks that it broke right now. That is literally the day in the life of Mr. Patrick Caesar. If only y'all knew. I guess y'all kind of do because y'all sitting there watching it right now. right, y'all, 30 minutes in. Made more in 30 minutes than I did in 4 hours. This lady is like half a mile ahead of me. She literally hauled ass. I just want to elaborate on what just happened. So I just did a winch out for a customer, and they were pretty bad. I'm glad that everything worked out. Y'all see me readjust the cable in the video because it was flexing the bumper. Thank God it's polyurethane, and I didn't do any damage. Replaced it, pulled it out, no damage done. This lady is wanting to write me a check. I don't usually do checks, so it's kind of weird for me, especially with, you know, this day and age. She's an old lady, but those sometimes we gotta be the ones you watch. I'll probably just take a credit card from her and take the L with it. But yeah, man, it sucks. It sucks. You don't never want, you want to give the most service to the customer as possible, and you also want to be able to help them as much as possible, but you got to make sure you also protecting your pockets. So let me go ahead and take care of this and get a once over of the car, and we'll go from there. Alrighty. Like, share, subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down in the comment sections below. Appreciate y'all watching. And until next time, mi gente, pro mundo beneficio siempre. Peace.